A ranked SEO agency website can become a money magnet and a powerful lead machine for your business. In this video, I am going to show you how I built a website worth $20,000 through SEO. I will explain my full case study, how to do SEO, how to do research, how to find the right keywords, and every important step you need to know. This video will help you understand how you can rank your own agency website, whether it is an SEO agency website or any other service-based agency website in the USA, UK, and other tier 1 countries. By ranking your website, you can generate a good amount of business and lead. My name is Kaiser Tariq and you are watching my YouTube channel KT Blogger. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Also, share this video with your friends and let me know in the comments how you found this video. If you have any suggestions or want me to make a video on any specific topic, comment below. And if you need SEO services, you can email me at kaisertarikofficial@gmail.com. Whatever SEO service or help you need, I can guide you and provide SEO services at very affordable prices. Also, if you want to invest in our already running projects and only want ROI, which means return on your investment, you can contact me through email as well. I will share the complete investment details with you. You only need to invest, and after that, you will get a share in our website and your earning can start from it. Now let's move to my laptop screen where I will show you how I built a website worth $20,000 through SEO, how it ranked in just 2 months, and how you can also do the same work. I will explain how to do niche research, keyword research, and every important step in complete detail in this video. So let's get started. Hello guys, we are now on my laptop screen and I'm going to show you exactly how I ranked an SEO agency website in just 2 months. I'll also share a complete case study so you can learn how to do proper research first and then create a solid plan to rank your own website. With this SEO strategy, you can generate income through website leads and website flipping. If you successfully rank an SEO agency website, it can easily be worth between $20,000 and $30,000. The best part is that you can achieve this within just 2 to 3 months. First, let me show you the website that I rank in 2 months and the keywords it is ranking for. As you can see, the keyword SEO service is ranking in position 3, while SEO services company is ranking in position 6. There are several other keywords ranking in positions 4, 5, and 11. These are highly competitive keywords, and most of them are ranking either on the first page or the second page of Google. These rankings are bringing in high quality leads as well as high paying clients. Now, let me show you the Google Search Console data. You can see that over the last 3 months, the keyword SEO services has received around 20,000 impressions and is currently ranking around position 16. Another keyword has generated over 4,600 impressions and is ranking in position 7. There are multiple keywords ranking across the website. Some are already in the first position, while almost all of them are within the top 10 or top 20 search results. Now let's talk about the research process. For keyword research, you need to open Hrefs Keyword Explorer or you can use any SEO tool you prefer. I'm using Hrefs for this example. Go to Keyword Explorer and enter your main service keyword. For example, SEO agency, SEO company, or whatever service you offer. If you provide digital marketing or paid advertising services, search for PPC agency. If you provide graphic design services, search for graphic design agency. Simply replace the service name with your own. Just make sure to include words like agency or company because these keywords usually have strong buying intent. For this example, I've selected the USA as my target country, but you can target any country you want. Next, go to the matching terms section. Here you can see there are over 47,600 keywords with millions of monthly searches. The good news is that you don't need to rank for all of them. Even ranking for just one strong keyword can build a successful business. If you rank for a good commercial keyword, you can easily close 5 to 10 clients every month. Let's do a simple calculation. Suppose one client pays you $1,000 per month. 10 clients times $1,000 equals $10,000 per month. So reaching $10,000 per month is absolutely possible. Now let's talk about website flipping. Suppose your website is generating $1,000 per month. If you sell it at a 30 times monthly profit multiple, your website could sell for around $30,000. Even if you sell it at a 20 times multiple, that's still around $20,000. Now imagine your website is making $10,000 per month. On marketplaces like Flippa, Websites often sell for 20 times, 25 times, or even 30 times their monthly profit, depending on the business. At a 20 times multiple, a website earning $10,000 per month could be worth around $200,000. That's why today's video is extremely valuable. You can build an agency website, generate clients for your own business, or even enter the website flipping business by selling profitable websites for a large amount. Now let's move to keyword filtering. I've already searched my keywords. The first filter you should apply is keyword difficulty, KD. Set the maximum KD to 30 so you can find keywords that are easier to rank for. Next, let's set the search volume filter. I recommend setting the minimum search volume to 1000. After that, you can exclude keywords that trigger top ads and bottom ads if you want to avoid keywords with heavy paid advertising competition. You can also exclude keywords that show AI overviews if you prefer. Now let's click show results and see what we get. Great. We now have 154 keywords with a combined monthly search volume of over 300,000 searches. Now let me explain the calculations behind this. Let's say a keyword has a monthly search volume of 10,000. Typically, when you rank well on Google, you can expect to receive around 50% to 60% of the available traffic from Google search and AI powered search experiences. If we take the higher estimate of 60%, that means you could receive around 6,000 visitors per month from that single keyword. The best thing about SEO traffic is that so if we calculate 3% of 6,000 visitors, that gives us approximately 180 leads per month. In reality, you can expect somewhere between 180 and 200 qualified leads every month, which is more than enough to build a successful agency. Now remember, these are just leads. The next step is converting those leads into paying clients. If you close around 1% to 3% of your leads, you can expect to sign approximately 4 to 8 new clients every month. That's how I calculate the potential value of SEO traffic, and you can use the same formula for almost any type of business. Now let's look at the keyword opportunities we found. You can see keywords like local SEO agency, SEO marketing agency, e-commerce SEO agency, local SEO company, B2B SEO agency, healthcare SEO agency, SaaS SEO agency. These are all highly valuable commercial keywords with strong business potential. Some of the other valuable keywords include SaaS SEO agency, SEO agency, affordable SEO agency, professional SEO company, and dental SEO company. These are all highly competitive, high value keywords that you can target. Your goal is to build dedicated pages around these keywords. Now, let me share the next step of the strategy. So far, we've completed the research phase. The next step is to dig even deeper and find more keyword opportunities. After that, you'll move on to keyword cluster mapping. Keyword cluster mapping is the process of organizing and assigning keywords to the right pages on your website. In simple terms, you're deciding which keyword should be targeted on which page. For example, let's take the keyword local SEO agency. You need to decide whether this keyword should be targeted on your home page or on an inner page, such as a dedicated landing page. Now let's take another example, dental SEO agency. If you target this keyword on your home page, then your entire website would need to focus on dental SEO services. But if your website is something like ktseoagency.com, you can cover multiple industries and services on the same website. In that case, local SEO agency would become your primary homepage keyword, while dental SEO agency would be targeted on a dedicated landing page. This is how you should organize your website. I recommend creating a keyword map for at least 30 commercial keywords. These will become your money landing pages. Along with those landing pages, you also need supporting blog content. If you're targeting around 30 commercial keywords, you should also plan to publish 50 to 100 blog posts that support those landing pages. These blogs help build topical authority, which is one of the key factors in ranking higher on Google. The purpose of keyword cluster mapping is to create a complete roadmap before you start building your website. You'll know exactly how many pages you need, which keywords belong on each page, and how your website structure should look. Now let's move on to the next part. We've completed our keyword research, and I've already shared the overall strategy with you. This is a simple plan, but it's extremely effective. I've been working in SEO for the past 8 years, and I can confidently say that this strategy works when it's implemented properly. Now, if you don't want to do the SEO yourself, I can help you with that. You can email me at khizar.tarikofficial@gmail.com or contact me on WhatsApp using the number provided in the video description. I offer complete SEO services on both a monthly retainer and a project basis. Whether you want to hire me for 1 month or 6 months, the choice is yours. I can build and rank a complete SEO agency website for you, helping you generate consistent monthly leads and close more clients. It's a complete, ready to run SEO solution. Simply send me an email and I'll share the pricing and all the details with you. If you're interested in investing instead of managing the work yourself, I also offer partnership opportunities. If you want to invest in already ranked websites or new SEO projects without handling the day to day work, you can join as a partner. You simply invest in the project and you'll receive a percentage share of the monthly profits. If you're interested, feel free to contact me through WhatsApp or email and I'll share the complete investment details with you. Now let's move on to the next part. The first step after planning is pre-on page SEO, which mainly includes your research and preparation phase. Next comes on-site SEO. On-site SEO includes your website development along with selecting the right plugins, themes, and other website related settings. At this stage, you need to decide which platform you want to use. You can build your website on WordPress or you can have a custom website developed. The choice depends entirely on your needs. The website I showed you earlier, which is currently ranking, was built on WordPress. Once you finalized your pages through keyword planning, the next step is content creation. You need to write high quality content for each landing page you've planned. After creating the content, it's time for on page SEO. Optimize every page by applying proper SEO techniques, and once everything is optimized, publish the page. The next step is technical SEO. Technical SEO includes everything related to crawling, indexing, website security, and site speed. Your goal is to make sure Google can crawl and index your website efficiently while also ensuring that your website is secure and loads quickly. A fast and technically optimized website has a much better chance of ranking. The final step is off page SEO, which mainly focuses on link building. You can build profile links, community links, and Web 2.0 backlinks by publishing content on platforms like Medium and linking back to your website. Another important strategy is guest posting. If you're looking for guest post opportunities at affordable prices, feel free to email me. I can share my guest post list with you and help you get quality placements at very reasonable rates that can improve your website's rankings. If you need other types of backlinks as well, I can help you with those too. So, guys, this is the complete process of building and ranking an SEO agency website. If you follow this strategy consistently, you can rank your website within about 2 months. It's not as complicated as many people think. First, you do your research. Then, you create your SEO strategy, build your keyword clusters, and decide whether you're creating a nano, micro, or macro website. Once your strategy is ready, you simply execute it step by step. After your website starts ranking, you can generate income through client leads or by flipping the website for profit. Now, let me show you a few examples. Here's an agency website currently listed for sale. As you can see, it's a digital agency business that ranks through SEO. The asking price is $170,000, which is a strong valuation. Using the strategy I've shared in this video, it's entirely possible to build a website that generates around $10,000 per month. And remember, this strategy isn't limited to SEO services. You can apply it to many other service based businesses and industries. Here's another example. This website is earning around $1,000 per month and is listed for $10,000 even after a 57% price reduction. That's still a healthy valuation. If you continue researching website marketplaces, you'll find many agency websites listed for sale. Studying these listings will give you valuable insights into pricing, business models, and what makes a website profitable. Here's another example: a profitable international SEO agency with a 10-year-old website and a $330,000 cash reserve included in the sale. This business is listed for $1.4 million, making it an excellent example of how valuable a well-built SEO agency can become. I hope you like this video. Do not forget to like and share it, and make sure to share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.